Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making bacon blue cheese wedge salad. Alright, I'm starting out here with a head of iceberg lettuce. Now, for this salad, you don't want to cut the core out because that acts like a wedge. You keep it in wedges. That's like the keystone. So let me take your head of lettuce and cut it into 4 wedges. Alright, now that I have my wedge on a plate, and 1 head of lettuce will make 4 servings. I'm going to take some blue cheese dressing, put it down all over the salad. You can make a wedge salad in any variety of salad you like. You don't have to be blue cheese. I'm going to take some grape tomatoes that I diced into 4s. And you want to put your dressing on first because that acts like glue to help hold your other vegetables and stuff on. Now you can cook up some bacon, crumble it. I'm using real bacon bits. If you use bacon bits, get the real ones, guys. Don't use the artificial ones because they're like salty bacon flavored cardboard. And lastly, I'm going to put some freeze-dried chives in. You can also use fresh. Look at that big clump. Alright, let me get a knife and a fork and we'll give this a try. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. And with this shit, you want to use a knife. And I cut that stem out of the core after I had the lettuce on the plate. You just want to cut in here and cut out a piece of your salad. Get some lettuce here, some tomato, that's really delicious, guys. Now, one thing I forgot is I have some crumbled blue cheese in the fridge. I'm going to sprinkle some of that on it after the video is done. That's optional. Bacon blue cheese wedge salad. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.